dreadful.
7, 8. Welcome back
girls,
to Haute.
cut it down, yes. Oh my god.
Welcome back to Haute.
Did you take your meds today? It's giving manic energy.
No.
No, love that.
Michelle!
What?
Did you hear a snort over there?
No, I think she spent too much time with her Frenchies. She started snoring. She thinks she's one of them. Oh my god, and our live studio audience is talking.
During
on
filming!
Set.
What are you doing over there?
I'm gonna be the next one that's
Quiet on set! Okay, welcome back to Hot Girl Kitchen.
Is somebody FaceTiming someone?
Yeah, everyone shut the f up. This
is your voices in your head.
No. Are you? Did you hear that?
Quiet on set.
Period.
Period. So you're probably wondering, what are we making? We've wasted so much time watching you.
They've been wondering that every time they tune in. They're like, why do we have to wait 3 minutes through the blooper and the intro until we get to the content? It's because we're so funny and it's worth it, okay? Period. So if you haven't noticed,
we're a good time.
We're hilarious. We're fun. We're a great time. Just subscribe. And if you don't think we're a good time, maybe now's a good time to just exit out of the video. I know you've already been watching 30 seconds, so we already got your view. It's already counted as a view. We got what we needed from you.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
So you're probably wondering, wow, I saw the title. I want to make these tacos, and you guys.
What is it? What are we? I have absolutely no idea what we're making. What are we making?
We are making spicy tuna tacos. We are making this wonderful taco. I'm just gonna jump right into the ingredients. We don't have to waste any time.
Well, my hair is falling because we've spent so long being hilarious and kikiing.
Kikiing.
And the product's starting to fall.
Okay, I'm sweating. Let's do this.
Yeah.
You're gonna need some taco shells. I did street tacos. We love a little taco. We love a little guy. Something cute.
And it's getting rude. She called me before we filmed and said, is it safe to say you'll eat 3 to 4 tacos? And I was like, 3 to 4? That sounds like a lot. Do you see the size of this taco that she's talking about? I might eat 8 to 12 of them with this.
Well, guys, I'm glad you did this because this is why I did this, because I knew that I was going to get some insults. I did by regular size, but for the video, I did want to do the miniature, the street taco, because it's cuter. It's more aesthetically
It's giving fat phobia.
And to be honest, I didn't know that he needed this size and that he was this large. So I am fat shaming.
It's giving, and you might want to bleep that out as well. Thank you very much.
So we need shells of some sort. They can be big, they can be little, they can be whatever you want. Corn, wheat, hard, soft, whatever you prefer in a shell. You're also going to need some spicy tuna. We already cut it up. We already seasoned it to save some time. As you can see, we have...
And this is, you correct me if I'm wrong, raw.
Yeah, raw ahi tuna.
Yeah, this is like poke.
Yeah, you can
Pokey.
You need some thinly sliced red onion, some jalapenos.
Because you know it's Hot Girl Kitchen.
You need some green onion, and you're going to need homemade spicy mayo. And when we put this, I almost said salad, when we put this taco together, I will instruct you on how to make this.
Thank God, because the world was wondering how you make the spicy mayo.
So what we're going to do now, we're just going to heat up a couple of our tortillas. We're going to put these tacos together and we'll be done.
How are we heating up our tortillas?
So we're going to... We're going to throw them... No, we're going to throw them in a... what is it? A pan? I blacked out. Wait, we're going to throw them in a pan.
It's getting weird. It's so embarrassing sometimes to be associated with this mess.
We're going to spray it with nonstick. We're going to throw it in a pan. We're going to heat it up. get it a little warm, a little crispy, and we're gonna make our tacos. I guess I'll make these tacos for you. I know you've been waiting, and you're dying for them. So we toasted up our shells. I added some guac, which we did not mention earlier, but I felt inspired. So
because we already made the guac.
You already made the guac, and and
it is a Hot Girl Kitchen recipe that you should be quite familiar with.
You are familiar.
If you're not, it's time to get familiar.
So you're going to add your ahi tuna that's already seasoned.
So our ahi tuna poke.
Okay.
What did we add to it? So you're saying it's already seasoned. The girls at home are wondering.
So you're going to add some sesame oil, white onion, green onion, sesame seeds. I would normally make this a spicy tuna, which I did say this would be spicy tuna, but
our live studio audience is very sick of over spice.
But also we are doing a spicy mayo, so I don't want it to be too much.
Overwhelming.
Yeah, it's just going to be too much if we do too much. So after we add in our tuna, we're going to add in a couple pieces of red onion. So after you add the jalapenos, we're going to add some green onion on top. And
that's looking really good.
And then we're going to add our final
drizzle
of spicy mayo.
I would like one too. Why?
Well, I was making one at a time.
Okay, yeah, my taco is just guacamole.
Well, that's all you deserve at this point, but yes. I will make yours next.
The way she disrespects the star of the show is outrageous.
I guess you have to talk to certain people to find out who the star of the show is.
Yeah. She's not been talking to them, clearly. You're giving me extra onion. You just want my breath to stink so bad. It's giving very much so sabotage.
I would love the sabotage. Okay, so we're going to do some pinch of green onion, more onion. I guess let's jump right into it.
Of course, I mean, what else would you expect Melissa to do besides jump right into something?
Are you going to eat one with me?
That's all she says is let's jump into it. So clearly, we're allotted one taco, so I hope I enjoy it. I hope I savor it, because all I got was one.
Honestly, you can talk to me after you try it. It's pretty good.
Oh my god, look, the way that it just attacked me. Look, I have, like, dressing all over my hand.
I mean, it sounds like a you problem. I'm just fine.
It's really tiresome, to be honest. Okay. I'm trying to get there. It's like hard. Oh my god, you pig! Oh my god. It's giving hog energy. That's bomb. It's still a pig, but it's still good. Look at the way this has attacked me, but I'm still into it.
A pig with manners. I would never throw my food on camera like that. Oh my god! You better subscribe, because you know your babe would never. Your babe's gonna get beat up just like Matt after this camera stops rolling.
She wishes.
Real hot girl shit.